To set alarm clock on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, start by opening Clock application and go with specific preset and turn it on. Now when you click on it once, you can customize it. So you can set repeat for every day that you want, or you can schedule alarm for any day that you want. Next, you can set name of alarm. Click here, and you can change its sound. You can use YouTube Music, Spotify Music, or you can pick something from this recommendation. You can also add new sounds from your Google files, or you can record something by using Sound Recorder. So that's up to your preferences. When you go back, you can also additionally turn on and off vibrations. You can get weather forecast, and you can create Google Assistant routine by clicking just over here. And you can click save in the right bottom corner. Here you will get notification when alarm is set, and it will appear every time you turn it on, just like this. And you can for sure get multiple alarms at once. You can set them up to your preferences. If you want to delete any of the alarm, you will have to just open it and click delete in the left bottom corner.